Pagpasensyahan niyo na po yung mukha ko na walang tulog. Oh my gosh, yung eye bags ko, best. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you my review and swatches of the newly released lipsticks from Maybelline. These are called the Superstay Ink Crayon lipsticks. I decided to just film here para mas maklaro niyo talaga yung color ng lipstick kasi mas iba yung color ng lipstick pag natural light compared to when I sit there in my vanity tapos studio lights. This retails for 299 pesos in the Philippines. Dito sa States, medyo expensive siya kasi $9.49. Tapos with tax pa, so mahuhulog siya na $10 per piece. Tapos pag $10, kung i-convert mo siya sa Philippine money, that's about 500 pesos, 520, ganon. So mas mahal dito. They released 12 shades and I only bought 7. I know you guys are here for the lip swatches, but before that, babasahin ko muna yung claim ng mga products na to. It says here, 8-hour lip color, glides across lips with no hassle control, smudge and transfer resistant. Here are the swatches. So, kung nalilito pa kayo, hindi kayo sure, balikan nyo lang yung swatches, lip swatches, and then screenshot nyo lang kung ano dun yung feel nyo na color. These lipsticks glide on really, really nicely. Wala akong naging problema. Sobrang dali lang talaga yung application. Tapos, 2-in-1 product na siya para sa akin. Pwede siyang lip liner. Yeah, lip liner na siya and then lipstick at the same time. So, hindi na kayo bibili ng lip liner if you buy this one kasi madali lang align yung lips. If you wanna overline it kasi gusto nyo ng Angelina Jolie lips, then it's easy kasi nga yung tip niya. If you love bringing small purses, mas madali lang din i-pack tong mga ganito kanipis na lipstick or yung packaging. Yung longevity ng mga lipsticks na to, in fairness, maganda talaga siya. If I compare it to the typical lipstick, yung naka-bullet type sa Maybelline, yung creamy mattes, yung powder mattes, mas maganda. I'm gonna have to disagree with the 8-hour claim though, kasi natry ko na nga yung enjoy the view maraming beses off camera. Pag kumain ka talaga or iinom ka ng kape or water all the time for that span of 8 hours, na i-erase yung gitna. So, you're gonna have to reapply. Especially if you eat oily food, natatanggal talaga siya. Hindi siya katulad ng Superstay Ink na liquid lipstick. Merong nag-transfer, super konti lang, pero transfer-proof and smudge-proof itong lipsticks na to. That's good. Pero pag mag-kiss ka lang naman na pa-cute na kiss, yung ganyan lang. Pero pag kiss na, you know, the torrid kissing, then of course, matatanggal talaga siya. I rarely wear liquid lipsticks anymore. I don't know what happened to me, but before, I used to love liquid lipsticks, like so much. I think it's because it's uncomfortable kasi nga dry yung lips ko. So if you have dry lips and hindi mo rin na-enjoy yung mga liquid lipsticks, lipsticks, then try this one. Maganda talaga siya. I think I forgot to say na maganda rin yung scent ng lipstick na to. Katulad lang siya ng mga creamy mattes from Maybelline. It has like a candy vanilla type of scent. Yun. And if you love vanilla scents like moi, gustong-gusto ko yung vanilla kasi. So kaya nai-enjoy ko talaga to. Yung pigmentation niya, wala akong naging problema. Lahat ng colors dito, sobrang opaque, sobrang pigmented. One swipe, andun na talaga yung color niya. But if you want the color to look more vivid, then you're gonna have to go back and forth para mas maganda siya. Pero ang nakaganda nga sa lipstick na to, even if you like go back and forth, maraming beses, hindi siya mabigat sa feeling kasi sobrang lightweight yung formula ng lipsticks na to. The way I can describe it for you, yung parang typical lipstick. Like example, yung creamy mattes ng Maybelline, tapos iba-blot mo siya with a tissue, yung ganun na feeling na after blotting your lips, yun, ganun siya kagaan. That is it for my review and lip swatches of the Maybelline Superstay in Crayon. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And may your brow game be as strong as your coffee today. Love you. Bye.